Imagine making money while chilling right here on your couch. Is that too good to be true? Or is it actually possible to start earning money with zero capital and zero experience? In this video, I'll show you 5 lazy ways to make money here in Germany, ranked by how much effort they take on the laziness scale and how much income you could actually make. So grab your snacks, get comfy, and let's dive right into the first lazy way you can start right after watching this video, without even leaving your couch. When you're scrolling through your phone on the couch, or even in the bathroom doing your business, you can actually make some extra money at the same time. That's the idea behind microtasks, one of the laziest ways to make money online. Microtasks are tiny online jobs you can do anytime, anywhere, usually without any special skill or upfront investment. Online surveys, for example, share your opinion and get paid. I do this every once in a while with the expert network IDR. You can test apps or websites and get paid to click around and give feedback. Or cashback apps. Get money back for shopping that you're doing anyway. The upside? It's super flexible, super easy, and you can start right away. That's why we give it a 5 out of 5 laziness factor with 5 sleeping emojis. But here's the downside. The pay is usually quite low. The highest I know is with IDR, where I do surveys sometimes. It's up to $75 for just a couple of minutes of work. So we're talking pocket money here, not life-changing income. And be aware, many platforms make you wait until you hit a minimum amount before you can cash out. That's why the income potential is only 1 out of 5 money emojis. It's the perfect lazy side hustle, but don't expect to get rich. If you want a little higher income, lazy way number 2 might be for you: selling unused assets. This method is all about making money from things that you already own, without needing special skills or much ongoing effort. You can sell your old clothes, electronics or furniture on platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace or Kleinanzeigen. It's an easy way to earn some extra cash and clear out space at the same time. I was at IKEA the other day, and you can also take part in their second chance program. Sell your old furniture back to IKEA for a voucher, which you can then either use yourself or resell for cash. And some people even make money by flipping, buying cheap items at Flohmarkt to resell them online for a profit. I bought this massive jade tree, almost 2 meters tall, on Kleinanzeigen a while ago. I took about 50 cuttings from it, and once they start to grow again, I can sell them online. With about 10 of these cuttings, I'll have my original investment back. So the remaining 40 cuttings plus the big tree I still own will be pure profit, straight into my pocket. The upside of this lazy way is that once it's set up, it's mostly hands-off and flexible. So we'll give it a 4 out of 5 laziness factor. The downside? There's some initial effort and your income depends on what you actually bought. That's why the income potential is probably limited to 2 out of 5 in most cases. So far, you've had to do all the work yourself. But what if artificial intelligence could do most of the work for you? That brings us to lazy way number 3, creating AI content. Use ChatGPT or Jasper AI to write ebooks, then sell them on Amazon, Etsy or your own website. But Axel, what am I supposed to write about? Just pick any topic that you're interested in and start with your first AI prompt. I really like bonsai. Small trees in small pots, if you can tell. So if I were starting this lazy way, I'd probably write a simple ebook on how to style a bonsai or the best plans to get started. And with AI, you can create any type of content, not just text, but pictures, videos, or music. The upside? AI helps you automate and scale, so you can earn semi-passive income with low startup costs. Now, you might think that because of all of this automation, we give this a high laziness score. But if you want to create good content, it still takes work, especially in the beginning. That's why this one gets a laziness factor of 2 out of 5 sleeping emojis only. And the income potential? With the right ideas and good execution, it's extremely scalable. But there are big changes right around the corner. YouTube just announced they won't monetize AI content anymore. So you have to publish on other platforms, hoping that they won't do the same. And that's why we give it a 3 out of 5 income rating. You can create content with AI, sure, but you can also create content with yourself in it. And that brings us to lazy way number 4, creating digital content. This is all about making money by creating digital media, mainly social media, that you make once, and then it makes money for you over and over again with minimal ongoing effort. You can start a YouTube channel, just like we did, and then you can earn through ads, sponsorships, affiliate links, or by selling your own products. Or you invite people to book a free meeting right here if you want your money to start working for you, so you can relax more and worry less. And don't forget other platforms like Instagram or TikTok. You can succeed on any platform if you create the right kind of content. And once you've built a few content pieces, you can merge them into an online course and launch it on Udemy or Teachable. You can make it once and earn for years if you do it right. The upside? Digital content is highly scalable with low costs and potentially a massive reach. But if you're not the next viral sensation, which, let's be honest, is pretty unlikely for most of us, it takes a significant amount of work. And that's why we give this a 1 out of 5 laziness factor. But the income potential can be very, very high, especially when you recycle your content. Let's come back to my bonsai example. I could create a bonsai masterclass as an online course, publish it as a print-on-demand book too, and then split it into multiple videos, blog posts, and podcasts. A quick video on which soil to use, a ranking of the best beginner bonsai trees, or simple pictures of each tree on Instagram or Pinterest. The name of the game is content recycling, and that's why we give this one a 5 out of 5 income rating. Just like the last lazy way, but this time you don't need to create anything at all. We're talking about passive investments. This is all about letting your money work for you instead of constantly trading your time for money. Earn interest by putting money into a high yield savings account or fixed deposits. Like the one we show on our website, they pay up to 2.8% interest, completely risk-free. Get dividends on stocks or ETFs. Yes, companies actually share part of their profits with you just holding their shares. Or generate rental income from real estate, whether it's a full property or just a parking spot. The upside? Passive investments can bring you consistent, hands-off income even while you sleep or lie on the beach. And that's why we give this a 5 out of 5 income rating, because the potential is massive. But let's be real, this lazy way needs money upfront. And sometimes a lot of it. Especially with real estate, you'll often need significant capital. Unless you use a little trick called cash out refinancing. If you don't have the money yet, we're probably looking at a 1 out of 5 laziness factor. But once you build up some capital, investments can be as passive as it gets, with very little of your own time involved. That's when they deserve a full 5 out of 5 on the laziness scale. It's the ultimate lazy income if you're willing to take the first move. And if we can help you with that, feel free to book a free meeting with us right here. Thank you very much for watching until the very end und bis zum nächsten Mal.